Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poland. Yes, I'm a green nature today. Yesterday I was in the Poznan city in the Stary Rynek, but today I'll take you to the green nature because obviously today is Sunday. It's time to explore green. Well, actually this green park is just 10 minutes from our apartment, and it is not park so much, but we will go to the beach again, lake beach. What I can say that I'm so happy because the place where I live in Poznan, Poland is just surrounded by the green nature like this. It's just literally like my hometown in Bali. Can you hear the sound of the bird, the sound of nature, the green surround me? So yeah, today I'm gonna share you actually about what Damian is doing in Paris, because he also sent me some footage, some video from Paris. You see people riding bicycle, enjoying the sunshine. It's very beautiful. So yeah, I will show you the video what Damian shared today, because of obviously he is a project director of the one big MICE company, meeting, exhibition, conferences, something like that. So he lead some of the project currently. He must be super busy because he said that tonight he will fly somewhere, Berlin or somewhere in Germany. But yeah, I will show you what he is doing in Paris, France.
We are in the gas station nearby the Dortmund, halfway to Paris. And yeah, everything is good actually. But it's gonna be a very long trip. And then tomorrow I'm flying to Stuttgart and staying 2 nights there. And then I'm going back to Paris. A short brief. We's gonna add this video to her regular daily vlog from Poznan. And yeah, that's how does it look like over here. Eventually I'm in the army exhibition in Paris and I'm working for the exhibition project director. Something new experience? Why not? Technically the whole point is to make all of this for the client, then build this thing in 10 days. The client have to be happy with that. Of course there is a lot of process of selling it, projecting this, and but overall must to be done 10 days like this one. That's pretty impressive actually though.
Chodźcie, bo jestem, przyjechałem w deszczu.
And this is of course the International World Trade Exhibition, so it's a lot of stuff everywhere, 360 degree, and this place is huge. I wonder if you come here on the normal day. So everything is done by us actually, the furniture, everything what you can see here except the what is in the exhibition belongs to exhibition. And that's how does it look like, and that's how does it look like actually from the top floor, like this one, right? So cool. And the nice furniture.
I remember the time, when we were still in Bali and Damian told me that we will be moving to Poland. I was skeptical and thinking that Poland will be just all concrete jungle, all pessimistic, and all like communist building block or something like that. But interestingly, like when I'm here, I learn so many things that it's totally different when you are living here. And I remember that, even I've got some Australian friends, and when they told me that, hey, that they also have a police friends who live in Australia, they are saying like, police people are not friendly and they cold and they are really bad. But interestingly, like when I move here, I live here, I totally experience different things. So what I see and what I can say to you is that we cannot judge something just because of one person or two person say something like that. But you definitely have to be here and experience. I know about the culture of drinking alcohol and vodka. Yes, I definitely know that. Even like I also got an invitation from my friends. It's just like a freedom of choice. If you want to take the alcohol drink or not, it's just like freedom of choice. But the most important thing is that they respect how you are and what you are. That's the most important thing. And here in Poland, I feel like they respect me how I am, and I make many new friends here. It's totally different than what the people say. I'm saying like this, it's not because you are married with Polish. No. And even my other friends also feel the same. I always remember what my dad say. If you don't like Poland, just buy the ticket and move and fly back to Bali. Dad, I really like it living here. And my dad keeps saying, to Damian, why you move back to Poland? Daddy has many of lands. You can choose the land with the rice field or the land with the waterfall or tropical jungle. You can build your villa here in Bali. But Damian, he's such a gentleman, and he always saying, I am the leader of the family. I'm in marriage with Winnie, so he feels like he has to have something to have a better life together with me and move out from Bali. And it's miraculously, I feel like life is magical and life is full of surprise. And I remember whenever I met people, I'm saying, oh, my husband has a transport company and he has driving Uber every time, sometimes online or sometimes whenever he has a customers, he go somewhere. And I said, my husband, he's not an ordinary Uber driver. He has been living for 10 years in Asia, and he has many experience. And I believe like the sorrows will vanish and the lucky star will come to us one day. And I'm so happy. I'm really happy. I'm just making the video every single day to showing to my mom and my dad and my family in Bali. I'm really good here. And then because they always thinking that your views on YouTube is getting smaller and smaller number. For me, it's okay, but the main purpose of I'm making video every single day just to showing to you, Mama and Papa, that I'm good here, I'm happy, I'm enjoying my life. I know at the beginning it's very hard, so many culture shock, and so far I make new friends and I enjoyed my life. That's the most important thing. Oh, it's very nice forest bathing. I say it as forest bathing. I feel like I am exposure with the lots of oxygen, lots of the green nature, and look, listening to the nature. This is really like feeling in my hometown in Bali, where my dad lands hectares of land surrounded by the green nature like this. and also surrounded by the waterfall. But unfortunately, yes, this is Poland, you cannot see the rice paddies, but hey, they also have the wheat field, right? It looks the same. Nice. And I always said to Damian, my husband, honey, I want to have a better future. I don't want you to be growing old drinking beers such a bogan in Kuta Beach or in Legian Beach. I don't want to be like that. So let's go somewhere, let's build our dreams and make it happen. Work hard and make it happen, all our dreams. People walking, riding bicycle. It's very nice, and look at that, there is a small pond, listening to the bird chirping. Very nice. Very nice. People bringing their dogs there, people enjoying their beers and their children playground. Yes, I'm in Rusauka. This is just like 10 minutes place, you know, green place from my home. So yeah, this is daily vlog, so I show you how it is. People are in the gym, and in front of me is the children playground. And yeah, this is basically how it is situation. It's a little bit cloudy, it's not as packed as you know, last Sunday, but yeah, still enjoyable. Let's go there by the beach. And this is a very beautiful lake. And here we go, this is the beach vibe, white sand beach by the lake. Nice. Pity that it's cloudy outside, but yeah, I can see still some family here, and there they're having a barbecue. I think that because of it's little bit chilly today, not many people are enjoying you know, swimming in the lake, but still it's enjoyable, you know, green nature, enjoy the breeze by the lake. And some people are kayaking behind me, and the most important thing is just like close by my apartment. So it's very nice. I can still feel like, you know, I'm enjoying my Bali lifestyle, which is, you know, traveling 5-10 minutes and I already arrived with the green nature and water. Very nice. Here in front of me, people are enjoying their barbecue by the lake. I think that it's gonna be a concert here, and as you see that behind is the stage, and behind that is people playing a volleyball. And here in the park, in the middle, group of ladies who's having a birthday party. On the left, that's a children playground. It's very nice. In front of me, people are playing volleyball. Nice. I think that I will go there under the tree. Let's buy something. People are riding bicycle. Nice. So here's the name, Rusauka Beach. That's the rule here. That's the beach. Safe beach boy, beach guard, something like that. And I think that I want to have a coffee somewhere in the restaurant. It's beautiful. Nice. I was strolling around from that restaurant. I feel like I didn't want to eat sapi kangka, and I feel like I just want to have a hot coffee. So maybe we'll go to that restaurant over there, having a hot cappuccino. Ooh, I bought one cake, this one. So I order my hot cappuccino and cake. Look at this. Looks so yum. Black forest, something like that. And then this is how the lunch situation. So this is the restaurant. Yes, it's packed with people inside and outside, and very nice. I bought coffee and cake about 34 zloty, but it's really worth it. Nice. So all the places, basically everywhere is busy on the weekend, and even in front of me, look at this tent. So cute. Nice. It's very nice, enjoyable, you know, like every Sunday, something like this. Going to the place like this, enjoying the time by the beach, by the lake, and by the nature. I'm happy. Right, so I think that's all my video today. Just little bit sharing about my thought about what's happening currently, and we keep working hard to build our dreams. So yeah, that's all my video today, guys, from Poland. Look, it's very nice weather and I already take out my jacket. It's warm, sunny, and surrounded by green nature, family oriented people. Nice. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.